Yes, friends. Now, shall we do the next question? Okay. So, let's do the next MCQ. Working note number one, basic data. Friends, this question we have given spot rate as 48.3. 48.30. You have rupee bar pound as 77.52. Then you have a dollar bar pound as 1.6231. Now they are asking you, how do you make an arbitrage in this situation if you are having 10 lakh dollars? Friends, I'll show you how that works. Start with 10 lakh dollars. Now this 10 lakh dollar I will first convert into. So what is the rate that they have told? Is it turning out to be 48.3? What is 10 lakh dollar into 48? Do I get the answer as 483 lakh? Once you get this, I'll convert this into pound at 77.5. So I get 6.23 lakh pound. Then what I'll do is I'll convert it back into dollar at 1.61 dollar bar pounds. I have to multiply. The moment I do this, I get 10 lakh $11,000 back. Tell me, friends, what is the profit that I make? The profit that I'm going to make is 0.11. This is how you make an arbitrage profit using cross rates. Basically, there's a difference in the exchange rate because of which these numbers are actually changing. I hope you're clear with this video, friends. Thank you so much.